Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Electronic Secret. In today's video, I will show you no picture fault of a 40-inch LED, and it's an orange LED, orange brand. It has no display, as you can see that it has sound but no picture. Friends, you can see that its green light is on. I have powered on it. Friends, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, like my video and share my videos. Here friends, you can see that green light is on but no display. Friends, I will open it and then check what's the fault. Friends, remove all the back screws and put them on a side and put them safe. Friends, I have removed the back cover. Now time to release these flex cable from the panel scaler PCB. Remove them from the panel side, friends, one by one. Now friend, remove the side bezel. It has lock. Now turn it to the front and remove the bezel. Take care with the large screen, friends. They can break at any time, so be careful. Carefully remove the bezel. Now friends, take the panel, lift up it carefully. First release the scalar PCB and then lift it properly. Take care of the panel, friends. This is the most serious part of the whole video. Remove this plastic fitting of panel. And then these reflectors one by one. Now it's time to pick the reflectors. Here's friends come the inner section. Friends, look, you can see that on the left down corner there the two LEDs have been modified by some technician. It is a not good thing, friends. Don't do this to your customer. Always replace all the LEDs if you want to be a good technician. It's a good tip, friends. Always remove all the backlight strips. Friends, I have opened take the paper away and now check all the backlights one by one, starting from the first. It's okay, friends. It's okay, friends. Friend, first strip is faulty. It is gaining much current than actual, so it is taking load. That's why what is the reason of going the light into the protection. So we will change these strips. Guys, I have installed all the new strips. It's the last one. After installing this, I will check the voltages for you with the help of LED tester, that these lights are glowing or not. Attach the connector. Take the LED light tester and power it on, friends. Put one probe on the positive of the one and second negative on the third. Look at this, friends. All the lights are glowing, so our backlight is now okay. Friends, this is how you can change the backlights of a 40-inch LED. I have tell you step-by-step method of removing and now installing the panel. Friends, watch complete video. It's a lengthy, but don't miss any part because fitting also matters. Put the screws in its fitting. Friends, I have installed the reflectors and plastic fitting of plastic. Now I will install the panel of the LED. Carefully take the panel and put it on the fitting. Look for the corners, friends. It should be inside the plastic fitting. All the four corners. Gently place it on the fitting. Friend, the removing of panel and installing of panel is a difficult job of all the process. Otherwise, it is nothing. So be careful while working with the panel. Now I will install the bezel. Gently place it on the panel and press it softly. There are a little locks with the plastic fittings. Check for all the sides. Friends, now attach the flex cable to the scalar PCB. Connected all the wires. Now it's time for checking. Press the power on and lift it up from the front. Friends, there you can see the standby light. I will press the power button on the back of it. For the result. Friends, look at this, friends. Orange logo comes and our picture is okay. So friends, this is all the video of no picture of 40-inch LED and how to replace its backlights. Friends, if you like my channel, kindly subscribe it, like my videos and share my videos. Thanks friends.